In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a grid in Canva, and it's extremely easy. Whether you're designing a social media post, a flyer, or any creative project, using grids can help you align your elements perfectly. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, open Canva and have your design ready. If you haven't started one yet, create a new design that suits your needs. Once you're on the design page, head over to the left side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This section contains various design elements such as shapes, frames, and grids that can enhance your layout. Now, type the word grid into the search bar. This will bring up a variety of grid options Canva offers. Typing grid filters the elements so you don't have to scroll through unrelated items. Once you see the grid selections, click on See All Grids to explore an expanded library of different styles and layouts. This is where you can express creativity by choosing a grid that complements your design theme or purpose. Next, find a grid you like and click on it. Don't overthink this. Any choice can be modified later. Drag and drop the selected grid onto your design page. As you position it, consider how you want your content displayed within it. Once your grid is placed, it's time to populate it with visuals. Click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you can upload your own images or select from images you've previously added to Canva. Now comes the fun part. Drag the images from your uploads and drop them into the respective sections of your grid. The images will snap perfectly into place within the grid cells. You can adjust them as needed to ensure they appear exactly how you envision. And there you have it. Your grid is ready, filled with your chosen images, and perfectly aligned for a professional, polished look. Grids are a fantastic tool for organizing design elements, making it simple to create balance and harmony in your visuals. Thanks for following along, and happy designing with Canva.